channel. I have a new guest named Titus.
Hi.
He's 12 years old. I'm 8.
Yeah.
We're making brownies.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be making milk chocolate brownies. These are very good. And we're going to add nuts to one side and just regular brownie on the other. So we need 2 large eggs, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2/3 cups of vegetable oil. Alright.
Both the bowls.
We're going to add the brownies. Would you like to open this part? Yeah.
Oh, it might be a disaster.
I don't think they smell good.
Yep. When we're done, we can with the spoon.
Just put it all in it. Just put it all in it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Just chip it in.
You gotta open this more.
Oh God, you made a big mess.
Okay.
Okay. One, put the brownies in the bowl. Step 2, you will put the eggs in it.
1 egg.
I'll do it. It was already cracked.
Not enough. Step 3, we fill that up with water. You're making a waterfall. Look.
How do we do it?
Here, I'm bringing it over here to you.
No, put it on the table.
1,
2. 1 more. 3.
4. It's the oil, so we're gonna put it in 2/3.
2/3.
Yeah, put it in. Pour it in. Pour it in.
There it is. 2/3.
Be careful.
It's a lot of vegetable oil.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Step 5, we're going to stir the brownie, and then I'll do it. Oh my gosh, it's dirty.
Dirty.
Guys, you just missed the oil pan, so the brownie can stick on it. Titus, are you ready to pour?
Yep.
Let's do it.
So mesmerizing.
And it's Christmas Eve.
No, it's not.
It is, it's gonna be. Sorry.
Perfect.
Hey guys, my mommy will put it in the oven.
if I get out of the phone still. Oh, we don't put that.
Oh, yeah. How long should we put him in there for?
Did it look good?
What size is the pan? Alright, come on, let's go sit down.